Hello everyone, I am your host Haroon Zuberi, and in this video I am going to tell you about how you can access your cPanel. There are three simple ways for doing it. The number one way is that you can access it directly from the hosting provider from which you have purchased your cPanel. The second way is that you can just put the domain name /cPanel and then it will lead you directly to the cPanel. The third way and the difficult way is that you must hit the port number at the end of the domain name and it will lead you to the cPanel. So let's try with the method 1. As you can see, I'm in my Namecheap dashboard, and you can see on my left side we have a hosting list option and my sidebar. When I hit it, it will show all my hosting list. You can see it my domain name, expiration, status active, auto renew, and go to cPanel, and then it will lead me directly to my cPanel. Here we go. So in this way we can easily access the cPanel with our hosting provider. Now let's start with the method 2. For this purpose, let me just log out from here. As you can see, my domain name is 3secondsolutions.com, and in the second way we just need to put cPanel at the end of the domain name, and it will lead me directly to the cPanel. Here we go, it's my login screen. In the just to let you know guys, when you go with the hosting provider dashboard, you don't need a login credential for cMail to access the cPanel. You can just need to hit go to cPanel and it will lead you directly to the dashboard. But in this case, you must know your username and password for the cPanel to access your cPanel. Here we go, I am in my dashboard right now. So in my views, this is the easiest way to log into the cPanel. But in this case, you must know the login and password. So let's start with the method 3. Let me log out from here. As you can see, we have the port 2083 here. So we just need to put 3secondsolutions.com colon my port number 2083. Guys, in most of the times we don't even know about the port number here. It's sometimes 2082, it's sometimes 2083, or there is sometimes any other port. So this is the most difficult way in my views, but it's not a big deal. Once you log in, you must know the port number and then you can start. And in this case, you also know the username and password as well. Just log in and then it will lead you directly to your cPanel. So here we go. So I hope guys this video was informative for you. For more knowledge on the cPanel, you can just hit the link in the description. I already have recorded a complete overview of the cPanel and its sections, and in this series you will get to know about different sections of the cPanel, such as domains, emails, files, databases, matrices, security, Softaculous, and other softwares that are related to cPanel. So stay tuned with me. See you next time.